Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here are the best ways to work with a data series. Data series is this data here, translated over into a chart. If you want to make a change, just click the chart, go up to Format. If you want to make any changes, you know what to do. Just go here, and if you want to change the color of this series, you can do that. Right now, it's either my computer or the cache. In other words, we're moving faster than the cache can do. You can modify this. If you want just the single, you can do the same thing. Just click, go in. You can change one series if you want. What if you want to add a year to this? You want to add 2023 to this series. How do you do it? This may be a little tricky. I'll give it a shot. I'm going to add 2023, and I'm just going to make up some numbers. 1901123. 83, 111, 82, 222, and 72, 8555. So we have this new series of data, and we want to add it here. How do we do it? Click anywhere within the chart, and we know we have this tool here. It's called Select Data. Go in here and we select data. We can look at this information, and we have total revenue. As I showed previously, we can edit this. All we need to do is go edit. We can attempt to change this data. So we have whatever this is saying, blah, 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 blah. I don't know what it does, but now it's all screwed up. We're going to hit X. We're going to cancel all that. We're not going to change the series name. What we're trying to do is change, go to total revenue. We can try edit. And we know the series name. But what we want here is just to cancel, start over, select data, go to total revenue, edit, go. Let's say we want to add shares outstanding. We can easily do that by adding shares outstanding here in A36. Keep in mind, there's hidden data here, so we have to go to the last row here. And I just put random stuff here. Just go copyright. I just have random numbers, not a big deal. Highlight anywhere in the chart. Go up to chart design. Hit data select. We're going to put add. That means we're going to add something new. We're going to go shares outstanding in the series name. Outstanding. Remember, there has to be an equal sign. Get rid of this 1. Highlight the range, hit OK, and we have shares outstanding. The question here is, why has this dripped over? Trying to fool around with this section in M and add a column. So there's some residual, and once I figure it out, I'll let you know. But that's how you add this data. What if we want to add 2023 information in here? So we go 2023, we just go 19000, 8000, 81000. This is for simplicity, folks. 72123, copy overwrite, copyright. Let's see what happens here. What if we click this chart, go to chart design, select data, hit add. We'll say 2023. And let's just grab this data. Let's see what happens. And nothing. You can see this format here. It doesn't work. So my other approach will be this. Let's cancel this. And we'll keep the data there. We'll go to select data, remove, 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 remove. Hit OK. Then just delete this chart. Go back here, insert, recommended chart. And you're saying, well, I formatted this whole thing. What you do prior to deleting that whole thing is you make a copy of it, reformat this thing. No, actually, there's a way to do this, and I'll let you know. But that's an alternative if the boss is screaming at you and you can't get this thing to add this new column. That's an approach. But before you do that, be sure to make a copy of your existing chart. If we want to delete a series, if we want to delete anything in here, we can go in and just highlight one particular range, and we just hit delete. Let's say we want to get rid of shares outstanding, delete. To hide data series, just click anywhere within the chart, hit the filter here. If you want shares outstanding hidden, just click it, hit apply, and it's hidden. Reactivate it, click and hit apply. You want to get rid of revenue, apply. You can see the difference. You just want to temporarily hide a year, do the same thing. Brad Williams, XL Prime.